leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party who have now claimed that Ramesh Biduri, who is a BJP's candidate against CM Atishi from the Kalkaji seat, will now be the party's CM face, and that the official announcement in this regard will be made by the BJP soon. Now, this comes days after Biduri kicked up a political storm with his controversial comments on Chief Minister Atishi and Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Addressing a press briefing yesterday, Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal claimed that he has learned through his sources that Biduri would be declared as BJP CM face in a couple of days. Taunting the BJP candidate, Kejriwal even congratulated Biduri as BJP CM face and also threw a challenge to the BJP to participate in a debate between the candidate picks of the two parties. Earlier, speaking to Times Now, Chief Minister Atishi also made a similar claim where the Aam Aadmi Party released a poster featuring Ramesh Biduri addressing him as BJP's abusive CM face.
ऐसा बताया जा रहा है सूत्रों के मुताबिक कि 1-2 दिन में औपचारिक रूप से रमेश बिधूरी जी के नाम का ऐलान कर दिया जाएगा। मैं तहे दिल से रमेश बिधूरी जी को बधाई देना चाहता हूं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सीएम उम्मीदवार बनने के लिए। मैं दिल्ली की जनता की ओर से मांग करता हूं कि रमेश बिधूरी जी बताएं कि उन्होंने 10 साल सांसद के तौर पे बतौर सांसद उन्होंने 10 साल दिल्ली के लिए क्या-क्या काम किए, कि उनका विजन क्या है दिल्ली को लेके, वो दिल्ली में और क्या-क्या काम करेंगे।
सूत्र आपके पक्के सूत्र जो ये कह रहे हैं कि रमेश बिधूरी सीएम का चेहरा होंगे।
नहीं, कल बात हुई है सीईसी की मीटिंग में, कल रात को पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड की मीटिंग में भी चर्चा हुई है।
तो ये पहला चुनाव होगा जिसमें बीजेपी अपना चेहरा डिक्लेयर करके लड़ेगी।
हो सकता है रमेश बिधूरी जी को डिक्लेयर करने की बात भी हो रही है और मैं समझती हूँ कि ये रमेश बिधूरी जी का डिक्लेरेशन ना सही भी होगा, क्योंकि पार्टी ही जब गाली गलौज पार्टी है तो सबसे ज्यादा गाली गलौज करने वाले व्यक्ति को ही तो सीएम चेहरा बनाएंगे।
Now, let's in the meantime talk about how Ramesh Biduri has reacted to Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party's claim, calling such remarks as a testament of a ruling party being scared of his candidature from the Kalkaji seat, where he has said that these claims are only being made because the Aam Aadmi Party want his candidature against the Chief Minister Atishi to be cancelled. Other BJP leaders also slammed Kejriwal, asking why is he worried about who will be the CM face of the BJP.
आज आतिशी जी ने इंटरव्यू दिया था, हम लोगों को कहा कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के तो मुख्यमंत्री के कैंडिडेट विधूरी जी हैं, क्योंकि उनको ये कुछ बोलते नहीं, वो महिलाओं के लिए कुछ भी बोल देते हैं, तो इसका मतलब वही मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे। क्या इनको पता चल गया कि इनकी सरकार जा रही है?
100% इनकी सरकार जाती है, उनका भय है, वो भय के कारण चाहते हैं किसी भी सूरत में विधूरी यहाँ से कैंडिडेट बदल जाए तो मेरी जान बच जाए, ये है हकीकत।
ठीक है, मेरा कहना ये कि भाजपा का सीएम कौन होगा, अरविंद केजरीवाल को इसकी चिंता क्यों हो रही है। भाजपा कार्यकर्ता आधारित पार्टी है और हमारा राष्ट्रीय नेतृत्व सही समय पर सीएम की घोषणा करेगा, लेकिन इससे एक बात तो तय है, अरविंद केजरीवाल को ये समझ में आ गया है कि दिल्ली में भाजपा की सरकार आ रही है।
भाजपा का सीएम कैंडिडेट कौन होगा ये भाजपा घोषित करेगी ना। ये जो हथकंडे हैं, इन हथकंडों को दिल्ली की जनता अच्छी तरह समझ चुकी है। हमारे दिल्ली के लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी को चुन करके भाजपा का सीएम बनाएंगे।
Now let's talk about how the Aam Aadmi Party versus BJP face-off as far as Biduri's face is concerned as a possible BJP CM pick. Congress party has launched an attack on Kejriwal, slamming the Aam Aadmi Party for making him the CM face. Congress leader Abhishek Dutt says that Kejriwal, who is out on bail in Liquorgate, cannot assume the CM's role himself because he's been restrained by the Supreme Court from entering the CM office or signing on any file. The Congress leader says that he will speak to his party and consider sending him a legal notice to Kejriwal for allegedly misleading the people of the national capital.
केजरीवाल जी ने बड़े बड़े होर्डिंग लगा रखे हैं कि आम आदमी पार्टी का चेहरा मुख्यमंत्री का अरविंद केजरीवाल हो ही नहीं सकता। मैं तो अपनी पार्टी से बात करूंगा कि एक लीगल नोटिस हम आम आदमी पार्टी को भेजें कि दिल्ली के लोगों को इस तरीके से गुमराह ना करें। जब केजरीवाल जी मुख्यमंत्री के चेहरे नहीं बन सकते, मुख्यमंत्री बनकर वो कार्यालय में नहीं बैठ सकते, तो दिल्ली की जनता को क्यों झूठ बोल रहे हैं।
Let's in the meantime get in a word from Isha again, because Isha, now this is where it gets interesting. As far as the fight for the CM's face is concerned, BJP not having declared any, Congress party not having declared any, and as far as Arvind Kejriwal himself is concerned, there he is already a legal battle that he has been facing.
Right, Amita. So the road ahead for the Aam Aadmi Party in the legality aspect is not easy, considering Arvind Kejriwal is merely out on bail in the alleged Liquorgate scandal. He has not been given a clean sheet yet. In fact, he's not allowed to exercise any duties of the Chief Minister. So definitely this raises a question that if the Aam Aadmi Party wins, how will Arvind Kejriwal start working as the Chief Minister when he has been restrained by the Supreme Court? But definitely the face-off over the lack of a CM face in the BJP has definitely emerged. The Aam Aadmi Party has also released several posters stating that the BJP, or as they refer to it as the Gali Galoch Party, doesn't have a CM face because they have admitted to their defeat before that even elections have taken place. And definitely a question that BJP needs to answer is that elections are less than a month away, and the national capital, the BJP doesn't have a chief ministerial face because not all elections can be run and won through Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister's face. So definitely a CM face is imperative, but it has not been declared by the Congress and the BJP both. The Aam Aadmi Party, however, very clear that Arvind Kejriwal is their national convener and will resume office. But again, how is the bigger question.
All right. Phir Laenge Kejriwal seems to be their pole pitch as far as the song is concerned. But will he actually make a comeback as a chief minister? Well, that's the legal battle that he seems to be fighting. As Isha continues to be with us, we talk more about the national capital because here, on part of the BJP